Okay, let's differentiate some logs. Here there's implied brackets there. With logs, we are going to use the chain rule. So we're going to set y equals to log u, where u equals 3x squared. And we're going to differentiate over there, du and du and dx. Okay, the derivative of log u, we just know that that's going to be 1 on u, and then we've got 6x plus 2. We're going to state our rule. Dy du is 1 on u times 6x plus 2. And that gets us to that pattern that we know we need to get to, where the derivative is going to be whatever's inside that bracket goes in the denominator, and then the derivative of what's in that bracket goes on the top. So that's our pattern that we're looking for, and although we know the pattern and we know what our answer is going to be, we need to do our setting out so that we look like we haven't just done it in the calculator. So for a straightforward C-level question like that, I'm happy with that as the answer, but you would also recognise that this could be factored to 3x plus 1 on the top. Doesn't really do too much, so I'm okay with it just like that. Okay. There's got to be something a little bit harder than that. Let's try 4 log root. Okay. Oh, that's out of whack, isn't it? Okay. Let's move on. We're going to do the chain rule again here. So y equals set y equals to 4 log u, where u is the square root of something, and it's a big something, so that's another chain, or it's a chain in a chain. So u equals, what will we do, z to the half, and z equals 2 minus x squared. dy du, dz, and dz dx. So we're going to differentiate that way. So that's going to be 4 times 1 on u, which is just going to be 4 on u. It's going to be a half z to the minus a half, which is 1 on 2 root z. And this one will just be minus 2x. So it's a nice looking chain rule, chain in a chain. So dy dx equals dy du dz dz dx. And I'm running out of room. How good is that? Dy du, 4 on u, dy dz, 1 on 2 root z, and times minus 2x. Let's see how we go. So that's going to be minus 8x on u. U is z to the half, so that's going to be root, squeeze it in there, 2 minus x squared times 2, so I'll stick that out the front. And then it's root z. Root z, well, 2 minus x squared. Let's just go up there a little bit. So that's going to be, well, the 2 and the 8 will go, so it's going to be minus 4x on. And I've got the 2 square roots of the same thing, so it's going to undo each other. Equals that. The only other thing that I can think of is that this minus isn't really nice there, so I could go x squared minus 2. So that's really the nicest answer in simplest form. But if you get that far, that's A-OK by me.